Hello everyone, my name is Aditya and today we are going to solve another question of 6th May. Now the question is we have to remove the nodes from the linked list and this is not a normal not a normal deletion of the linked list. In this list we have to make the linked list descending in descending order. This means we have to delete every element of the linked list in which the next element of the linked list is greater. Suppose there are 5 and the 2 is smaller, then it satisfies the condition. The next element is 13, means 13 is greater than 5 and 2. So we have to delete these two elements. Now, as we move forward, 3 is it satisfying the condition, and now 8. 3 is smaller than 8, so it is going ascending order, so we have to delete 3 to maintain it 3 to 8. So like uh, in suppose there is a condition where 1111 every node has value 1, so this means the there is no issue in the linked list, so we return 1111. Firstly, I was trying to do by directly using linked list, by using self dot next to self dot next dot next, but it's causing a little logic error. So I solved it using the stack. So in the question, I mean, in this question, I use Python 3. It's just the same, just a little difference in optimizing the mean defining the nodes and the data types. So here I use cur equal to head. Cur is a variable because if we do any operation directly on head, it will not work. We have to use another variable and add the equate it to the linked list. Then we can perform operation on CUR. So I have made an empty stack. While cur mean whenever the value of current is true. While stack and stack uh, last element dot value is less than current dot value, means while stack means if the stack has any value or the last value of the stack is less than current value, stack dot pop, stack dot append. So this means the stack, and this loop is using if stack and any element of stack is less than the current value. Suppose that the current value is 13, then this loop start searching element from 5. Because we have this appended the element. Suppose for the 5, the while loop stack is empty, so while loop automatically fills and stack dot append current, so we will append 5 in the stack and current equal to current dot next, so the next element is 2. Again 2 is added to stack. Now when is 13, when stack and negative one of stack value means 5 or 2 while stack means there is value in stack, and second means the last element 2 is less than 13, stack dot pop, then we will eliminate 2, and again when 5 is less than 13 also we also eliminated 5. So this will recursively check the for each element. If it less than the front element, we can directly delete it. Now, next equal to none. Now, if we have assigned next to none, and now we are changing the link list, mean the stack to the link list. For this we can cur equal to stack dot pop, we are popping one by one element, and cur dot next equal to next is none, and next equal to cur. This will recoverably change the element stack to the linked list. Now I am going to submit it to see the result. Mm. As you can see, are somewhere in the middle of the time complexity graph. Hope you will like it. Thank you, Aditya.